Cool. So yeah, so the bug bash, we talked about this. This is the progress of our V4 backlog, most movement in the bags column, which is good, because that's where we want to spend most of our time. At the moment, we still have another week of development. This is as per original plan that we talked about last week. At this stage, kind of the simplest done criteria we can come up with is when we have 0 bugs. And just to be precise, what we mean by bugs are things that stop, like if they deploy V4, they can't do their work the way they used to be able to do in V3. So if text is not readable, if functionality is missing, if an existing functionality is broken, these are all bugs. So basically showstoppers. So this is what we want to focus on. If you disagree with that, if you think there are certain things in the improvements or ideas that we should do before we ship V4, then ping me, let me know, and let's have a chat. The thing to remember is that when we ship V4, we will be shipping patch releases straight away. I can imagine we'll be shipping them daily. So this is not that the work is, we ship V4 and the work stops and nothing else is happening. So just keep that in mind. So what's next? I will be giving those updates on a weekly basis. Yeah, another week of development, and next Thursday we'll be asking ourselves if there's anything else, if there's anything that is stopping us from shipping. So when you work on V4 backlog, keep that in mind. We have quite a few people working on the backlog, but because the cards are self-contained and isolated, even if you have a day, half a day, we could use your help. So feel free to jump in, pick something from the board and help us ship V4.